Hello everyone, welcome to watch tutorial video of Naviforce 9208 model watch. Today I will guide you the easiest way to set time date in this very watch. So to set time in this Naviforce 920 watch, you have to press left side down button thrice. Once, twice and thrice. As you see here, second digit is popping up. If you want to set off time, then you have to press right side down button. You can see here the hour is popping up, and to change it you have to press right side up button 4 5 6 like this you can change. And if you want to change the minute, then again you have to press right side down button. Here you can adjust the minutes 31 32 33 as per your requirement. Once you do this, you can change the date. To do that, again you have to press right side down button. So you can see here the months is popping up. To make it 11 12 1 2 3 4 according to your date, you can change it by pressing right side top button. Now once you do this, you can change the date of days. To do that, you have to press right side down button 13 14 15 16. So after you do this, you can change the days. To do that, you have to press again right side down button Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday like this. So if you complete this all step, to make it final, you have to press left side down button. So as you see here, the time has been adjusted. And if you want to set the analog, it's very easy. Just you have to pull it out this main crown outside. Once you pull it out, see here the time that is like what, 7:33. Let's make it 7:33. 7 now 30 31 32 33 something like that. 34, it's 34. Okay, like this you can adjust time date on this Naviforce 9208 watch. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, and if you are new in this channel, do subscribe, because I bring very important watch related tutorial video of different models. Thank you very much.